Do you want to know how you can like a post in Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can like a post in Onlyfans. Go to Onlyfans in your Chrome or Edge browser and then you can scroll on your feed. The people who you have subscribed, they will come in your profile and you can simply press the love button and then you will like the post. So it's quite simple. You can simply go and like the post this way. You can even go in and like the post if you have subscribed to the creator. Quite simple process, guys. Just go ahead and go to onlyfans.com and then in your newsfeed you can see that there are posts of the people who you have subscribed. You can go ahead and go to their page and like their posts if you have subscribed to them. And the people will also get the notifications that this much amount of likes has been there. So it's quite simple to like a OnlyFans post. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.